Hello everyone, welcome to the Skitty Zone and we are going to So I'm making another project for Home Depot Kids Workshop and here's another batch of it. And we are making another kind, but we are making a Tic Tac one. And if you want, you can also look at this one in my channel. It is an ATM bag. So let's start. This is everything that the kit came with. Some pieces for tic-tac-toe, some nails, small ones and big ones, a tic-tac-toe thing, and some little pieces, a batch that I already told you, some like lines of wood, there's a certificate and some stickers, plain sticker and some Tic Tac stickers and some instructions. That's all it came with. Let's start. So we need these two pieces. Need 4 big nails and leave the small nails. So then we have to take the sides, flip it over, and then we are going to put it lightly in. Now we have done this and now we have to take this one. We have to put it like that and then hammer it. Now we'll fix this part. And with this part, now we have to do this part. Okay, time to hammer. So we're done with the second step. Now we're going on to the third step. We're done with this part. Now we're going on to the third step. So we are done with this part. Okay, now let's put this. Okay, now let's hammer. Now I'm going to only paint this part. Okay, let's stick this sticker to this. Whee! Look how big it is. It's a square. You can also turn it into a diamond. It's a diamond and a square. everything is done. Now let's assemble. There's like a little storage here that we can keep all the coins in. So, when we want to play, we have to remove it. And then we can play a little, then we can play. Okay, now I'll play a game with my mom. This is how to play. We'll each have coins. My mom is gonna have X's and I'll have the hearts. First, I will go. Now it's my mom's turn. That's how to play. And is a tie. And when we are playing, if I get a heart and a heart and a heart, that means I win. I'm done. So you can also get this Tic Tac in Home Depot Kids Workshop. It's free. Bye. I hope you give me a giant thumbs up. Bye. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a giant thumbs up. Bye.